Kia ora, guys. So, this is an exciting day for me. I wish you guys could see it. I'm going to take a photo. Before we get into this unboxing, you need to see the elaborate setup I have going on here. This is the lengths I have to go to actually set up to shoot anything in my apartment because it is so tiny. We got a lamp up there. I know I'm doing the lights wrong, by the way. Main camera's there, and then we got another camera up there that is so dim it's barely worth mentioning. This is an unboxing, and I'm excited because I pre-ordered this camera back in December, and I wasn't sure when it was going to get here. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is going to be a very different experience for you. I kind of just do things on the fly. If you have been around for a while, you would know I'm all about the SuperZoom cameras. The Nikon P1000, the Nikon P900, and I'm still undecided on the Nikon P950. But this year, 2020, we're doing something different. So this is an unboxing. An unboxing of the KanDao QooCam 8K 360 camera. That's a lot of numbers, but it's exciting. And I'm going to tell you why it's exciting, because it's the first consumer 360 camera on the market that films at an 8K level. 8K level. That doesn't make any sense. Anyway, into the actual unboxing stuff. So the deal I got came with a selfie stick. That's what this thing is. I may have already opened the selfie stick. Packaging was a bit rough when it arrived, so I wasn't too sure. I wanted to check things out. So you'll know for any 360 camera it's important to have your selfie stick. Typically they get edited out when you're putting everything together. So this is the one that comes with the camera. So it's got a little tripod. Sweet. I can sit over there. Carry case, always important to have a carry case that can sit on the ground. Actually, that can cover the logo of the table. We have some sort of plate that looks like that screws in under the camera itself. So there. We have, actually not sure what this is. Let's see. It's got a little clippy thing on it. Amazing banter. I think this is to hold your cell phone, if I open it the right way. Yeah, let's go with that. Oh, there we go. So that'll hold something. In my case, it may not be a cell phone, it may be a battery pack, depending on what I end up doing with it. That can sit there. And then we have the extendable selfie stick. It feels good. It feels really good, actually. Now, how does one extend it? Yeah, that makes sense. Cue lightsaber noises. That's pretty sweet. Does it click into place somehow? Okay, I don't know. This is the least important part. That'll also sit on the ground somewhere. It's quite big. It's quite big. Alright, so stuff came in this bag. All the way from Hong Kong to Auckland. My box. My knife. I just about cut my finger. Would you believe I used to work with boxes for a time? This should be second nature to me. Alright, box within a box. No surprises. Empty box. Camera. Exciting. A good look at that. Quick whiz of the box. Quick read of what is in the box before we open the box. So there should be a camera, there should be a protective case, a user guide, which I will definitely need, a warranty card, which I hopefully won't need, a protective pouch, right, a hand strap, a USB-C to micro USB, a USB-C to USB-A, and a USB-C to USB-C. They are prepared. My understanding, and by the looks of this, it will work with Apple, it'll work with Android, and there's also a program for your computer. I don't know if that's Mac or PC. The thing with this camera is it's not quite fully realized yet, is my understanding. I haven't used it yet, but from what I've been following, they are constantly updating it and upgrading it, and also upgrading the software both in the camera and the editing software that comes with it on all of those platforms, improving the stitching. That's really important when it comes to 360 videos. So we're going to just open it now. Can he do it without a knife? Yes, he can. Alright. Plastic cover. You know what? I would really like to see less of this. This is unnecessary. Like, what are you? Is this for freshness? I'm sure there's a reason, but we don't need this shit anymore. No more plastic waste. Alright, so it's that classic sort of, I'm going to say iPhone packaging. Which I think I actually had one around here somewhere, but yeah, so that just slips on out. Put the sleeve down there. Moves three-legged spider thing over there. There we go. That's a little, whew. That's nice. For that camera, hopefully I'm pointing that in the right direction. I don't know how well that is sealed in there, so I'm not going to be one of those people that tips it up the wrong way and then immediately breaks the camera. Oh, we have lots of arrows. Alright, so if I pull that out via that just comes straight out. More plastic. Come on, guys. Alright, so it's a 360 camera, so you have two lenses. I don't own a GoPro, but I would say this is as heavy, about twice as heavy as a iPhone 6S, I want to say. So really, really simple. Lens there, and then a nice LCD screen on the front for whatever you need it for. There doesn't seem to be too many buttons. We like that. Simple is good. Simple is very good. Pop that down on there for now. What else is in the box? Can you guys understand me? I understand my Kiwi accent isn't particularly strong, but still, I ramble. There's a foam insert here. Okay, I see, that makes sense. It's like, why? Why is there a foam insert here? Alright, so that's a little silicone case. I'm guessing that goes around the outside. So if you drop it, it doesn't break immediately, or at least you think it's not going to break immediately, because this doesn't feel particularly, I have my doubts. It's fine, we don't plan on dropping it. It can also sit there. I think that's all that is in that first part. Delving deeper into said camera box. Just tipping it out now. Alright. We have our cables. Yay for cables. Don't tip the table over. So that's the USB-C to C, USB-C to A, and USB-C to, I want to say micro? Micro. In no particular order. That's really good. I've been finding recently that things that need USB to charge or to transfer data don't come with the cables. Now, I know the cables are cheap, but it's a nice touch. It's a nice touch to include these. I don't see these as waste. I see these as, added benefit. Alright, continuing. We have, I'm going to say that's the booklet. I quite like how they have shaped everything in the box to sort of suit the theme. Oh, look at that. Alright, so we have notebook. Please be in English. Oh, please have some English instructions. Oh, it's not a good start, guys. Okay, so, disclaimers in English. Okay, there is some English. It's about halfway through. That's fine. This is a Chinese, maybe Hong Kong. Chinese or Hong Kong. We won't get into it being the same thing or not. It's not an English product, so I don't expect English to be first up, but I need to read that. Put that down there. We have a warranty. And stickers! Of course we need stickers. What is left? We have that'll be the wrist strap, or the selfie stick strap, and finally more plastic, branded plastic even this time. If you can see that, it says KanDao on it. We have a little case which has not liked being curled up. KanDao, you might want to think about this next time. I'm sure there's a better way to put that in the box, but it's all creased up. Assuming that just slips in nicely. Yeah. Yeah. So that's that. I will explain in later videos why I am moving into 360 videos. I think now is a good time and a good place, and the technology has reached a point where it's viable, and it's viable long term. I think VR has come a long way. VR sets, I think I asked you guys maybe 2 or 3 months ago how many of you had access to either a VR headset or a mobile device that could be a VR headset. And quite a few of you said yes, but I think long term VR is something that's going to be around. It's going to stay. You know, it's got big backing from things like Facebook. So I'm hedging my bets here. So that's it really. That's the QooCam 8K pocket camera, 360 pocket camera. Do not worry, the P900 and P1000 stuff is not going away. I am thinking about the P950, but we'll talk about that later. It kind of isn't really much point for me, seeing as I have the other two. And it's the, I don't know, it's like they smushed them together. That's the nicest way of putting it. But until then, keep zooming. And if you have a VR headset, go get it ready, because I need people to test this for me. I need to know this works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Ka kite ano.